Good morning, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, speed test October. Yeah, the first Friday of the month. We have always a speed test, and so I will do the speed test with the two regular puzzles we have here in this newspaper. Two regular puzzles: the medium Sudoku and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper of Friday, October the 6th, 2023. Told you earlier, the first Friday of the month, I will do a speed test. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. Two Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles in this additional. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me start with these two regular puzzles. A speed test. Told you, speed test. And this one will be number 7220. No, 7221. 7221. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. But it is a speed test without comments, without instructions. So let's get started. 22288. Already 2 minutes past. Well, I need a 4 here. I need a 4 there. I need a 6 here. 6 there. 9. Come on. Need an 8 here. 8 there. 7. 7 here. 1. Need a 5 here. 5 there. 5 here. 1, 5, 9. 5. How about the 8? Still not 6. Come on. 7, 8. Need an 8 here. 8. Need a 9 here. 2. Need a 7 here. 7 there. 7. Okay. 9. Need a 2. Need a 2 here. 2. No. And the 4. 4. No. 4. 4. No. 4 and the 1 here. A 9 and the 8 here. 3 and the 5 here. We have a 3. This should be 5. 3. 3 and the 6 here. 8 and the 4. Come on. Need a 4 here. 8. Need an 8 here. And I need a 3, 6, and a 1. the 1 here. 3, 6, 1, and the 5. Need a 5 here then. Yeah. Need a 5 here. 5 there. Need a 5 here. Still in the 8. 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 and the. Come on, come on. Need a 6. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. Oh, 3, 6. 6, 9, and the 1 here. 9. Need a 9 here. 1 and the 3. 5, 9. 5, 9, 6. Come on. This is a 9. 1. Need a 1 here. 4 and a 1. This should be a 1. Oh, no. Here. Oh, made a mistake. Well, 4 and a 1. This should be a 1. This should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. This should be the 4. 9, 9. 9 and 8. Okay. 9, 9. 5 and a 1. Yeah, 5 and a 1. 5, 5, 5. 1, 1, 2, 8. 2, 8, 2, 8. 1, 1. Here should be the 1. Here, 1 number left. 3. With all the 3s. 3, 3, no. 5, 1, 9. Okay. Need a 5 here. 5, 9, 1. This should be 9 and 1. 8, 8. Still having troubles with the 8. Need a 4 here. Come on. 7, 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. 2, 5. 3, 7. 1, 1, 1, 1. Come on. This is taking too long. 6. Here should be the 6. 6. Need a 6 here. 6, 6, 6. This should be the 6. 2. 8, 1, and 9. 8, 1, and a 9. We have a 9 here, so 9, 8. And we have a 1 here, so this 9 and a 1 here. This should be the 8. 8, 2, 9. Overlook this 8. 8, 9. 8, 8, 8. This should be the 8. This should be the 4. Eliminate that 5. 9 and a 1. This should be the 6. 9 and a 1. 9 and a 1. 5 and a 1. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, 9 and a 5. 3 and a 1. Come on. 3, 1, 9, and 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. We have a 2 there, 3 there. 9 and a 1 here. 3 and a 1. 9 and a 1. 1, 5, 5, 9, 9. 9 and 9 and 4. 9, 1, 2 and 1, 2. 9 and 1, 9. Finished in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. -2, 8 minutes. Wow. 8 minutes. We will see. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. Well, we solve it again. 8 minutes. Yeah, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in a minute with a second regular puzzle, also for a speed test, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.